Clean up right now. Let's take a look at this house. All three sides of every piece of wood painted. So got all this done here. Under eaves looks good. Lots of stuff going on up here. A lot of trim pieces. And then front door enamel spray finish. Garage door all water base, Carefree semi-gloss. No, you don't want to use that oil base. That'll die real fast on a door like this. Direct sun. Yeah. This is it's called Protec. It's a water base alkali emulsion. So it's a water base that turns to oil when it dries. Hang on a second. So there's no paint on the brick. Everything painted nice. That's how the eaves look. Fascia done. Wrought iron painted again. Eaves, look at the stucco. That's heavy textured stucco. You don't see anywhere or we touched up anywhere. That's because you wet your paint down a little bit when you do your stucco touch up. So underneath the eaves all done. We're just gonna do a little repair there, and just noticed it walking around, doing the final job walk here and checking it out, make sure I got everything. Customer's not gonna get a chance to look at it, so we just make sure everything's right. And I never had anybody find something we missed later. Let's look up above here. Looks good. Looks acceptable. Is it perfect? No, there's no such thing as perfect. It's acceptable or not acceptable. So we rolled these out for the second coat. We want to put 3 on some of them because they were pretty raw. So wanted these patio pillars, the columns to look good, and the crossbeam roll finished. A couple coats on there, about 3 coats or so to fill that in, make it look good. Doesn't take long to do. Fascia board. Nice heavy coat on there. Let's take a look at these eaves here. Looking around. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Cut in right here on the edge. Pretty clean. Looks nice. So we're going around here. No misses in the stucco. Let's look at it from far away. I always, when you do your job walk, you should look far away and close, because sometimes you'll see something far away that you don't see up close. And so always look at everything really good, because you might have missed something. Okay, so look up under here. A little bit light, couple spots. It's in the back side of the house. Not going to worry about it. Customer's gonna be super happy. Not worried about it at all. No stucco misses. Look back here far away. Nope. No white spots in there.
This is Mike's friend.
Alright, so that's it for the final job walk. I saw a couple things I'm gonna touch up, and that's it. We're looking good. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.